Investidor Sirahusi Brunei Darussalam apresenta a proposta para o primeiro-ministro quando o plano investimento nebe Sira se implementa e o município Bocau no Manatutu. Segunda-feira, primeiro-ministro Kairala Sarana Guzmão halau encontro investidor Sirahusi Nação Brunei Darussalam, anesan mos diretor companhia Stratcom Global Invest Peter Wong e Palácio Governo dele. Foi no encontro, Peter Wong hateteng encontro o primeiro-ministro se apresenta a proposta, explica claro quando a Sira ne plano investimento nebe se implementa e município Rua Bocau no Manatutu. Investidor Sirahusi Brunei se halo investimento e a área infraestrutura, atividade social e Timor-Leste, liu e a município Rua
Prime Minister, we've been here for many years already. We went through all different areas. We worked together with Excellency Thomas Kabel, with the support of the Brunei Ambassador in Brunei, Mr. Gutierrez. And I think this is the right time. We have been to Timor many years already. I think we are in the final stage. This way we had the privilege to see the Prime Minister today to explain detail on our investment in Timor. And together with our President Municipal from Bacau, President Municipal from Manatutu, to discuss the infrastructure and investment in Timor-Leste. More on the infrastructure and social activities in Timor. The Prime Minister say it's a very good presentation, and he likes the proposal, and he like us to come back again and to go into details one by one with him, and he like our proposal, and he think it's a very good, and it support the Timor investment.
So when will you be investing in Timor-Leste?
We will come back again to meet up with the Prime Minister and with the authority here. Once we are invited back again, and once if we are given the green light to move, we can start immediately on this thing. So and now we will wait for our Prime Minister, Shanana, to give us the time to meet and discuss further.
No primeiro-ministro Sanana aprecia teve sua apresentação com companhia internacional Stratcom Global Invest, quando o plano investimento refere, no considera plano ne diak tebes. Reportagem na Fifanya de Carvalho, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual diak liu. Kita haluha, hane yang botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.